Dear children, this week we will do toffee container using the materials old wedding card, scissor, scale, pencil and gum. If you need and all, you can use chunkies or glitters or any lasers. See children, this one is dark color paper. Whatever we have to mark, I will show you in the light color paper. Take on white paper or any light color paper. See this, like this, any container lid. You have to mark in this one. We need circle shape. You have to cut this piece. In this circle, first you have to put one line. In this itself, you have to take 6 feet, that means 6 centimeter, and then again this itself you have to take 6 centimeter, like that. This side also 6 centimeter, and then here itself 6 centimeter. You have to mark in these two things. See this, each 6 centimeter it will come. Straightly you have to use scale and then mark 6 centimeter. Now see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it will come. After coming now, next you have to measure here itself 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. Each line like that, 3.5. Simply one dot, otherwise small line. Now you have to join these lines. If you want and all, you can make a big size also. Now we done it like this. After that, in this line itself, you have to put a 1 centimeter. See this, 1 centimeter. This one 1 centimeter. Like that, 6 lines you have to mark. To mark correctly, and it will be easy to fold. 1 centimeter. Don't forget 1 centimeter. This mark. After that, you need to know the line. This one, this line only you have to cut. See this? Put a dotted lines. This line only you have to cut. See this? Simply dotted line you have to put. Wherever the dotted line you are putting, that one only how to cut. This line you have to fold, and here also this one also you have to fold. This one also fold, and this line also fold. Each and every side, this straight line you have to fold. First I will tell you how to cut. See. Simply this dotted line. If you want to variety line and all, you can mark it with any color sketches or color pen also. Why I am doing the light paper and all? We are having, this is a dark color paper. If I mark and all, you can't find that only I am doing it in the light paper. Like this, you have to keep and then you have to cut the same position. Then you have to fold. Okay, I fold and show you now. Using the scale, see, This one you have to fold. We cut it like a V shape. All the side this paper only how to fold. Next this paper and all we folded. Next in this part inside we mark no this line you have to fold. See, using the scale, iron scale or any plastic scale also you can use. Once if you fold it and all, after sticking time it will be easy to fold. See, light paper I show you for the measurement. Now see this, I done it in the dark paper, that the wedding card paper, that only very thicker, that only I am showing that one. Now we have to paste. See this paper, we folded no, that paper and all, we have to stick. Put gum in this part and you have to paste. If you hold it few seconds and all, it will be stick. Next like that same. Each and this paper only, each and every paper we have to paste. See, like this it will come. You hold it few seconds and all. This one dark paper, that only I show the light paper measurement and all. I done it one. See, that wrong side will go inside, right side will come out. Another one the same cutting, the right side will come inside and wrong side will go back. Now we have to paste this same measurement, same folding. One is going inside and one is outside. Here we have to paste. If you plain paper and all, you can decorate. This is already colorful paper only, the wedding card. That only I am pasting. See, already the design is there here. If you need and all, you can paste stones also here. Another one I done it, sticking the color papers. If you need and all, you can decorate with plain paper, means you can decorate like this. If you already decorated one wedding card and all, you can do like this. Now we fill the toffees in the toffee container. Both I make it. If you want and all, you make it very different toffee container.